Welcome back to Motor Masters, your go-to destination for the latest in automotive excellence. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Maserati Ghibli, a luxury sports sedan that perfectly blends Italian craftsmanship with exhilarating performance. As Maserati continues to refine its lineup, the 2025 Ghibli stands as a testament to the brand's dedication to luxury, power, and innovation. The exterior of the 2025 Maserati Ghibli retains its signature aggressive stance, with a bold front grille, sleek LED headlights, and sculpted lines that enhance aerodynamics. Maserati has incorporated new alloy wheel designs and updated color options to give buyers more customization. The quad exhaust tips and distinctive Maserati Trident badge emphasize its sporty yet sophisticated appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Ghibli offers multiple engine options, catering to different driving preferences. The base model features a twin-turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine delivering 345 horsepower, while the Ghibli S boosts that output to 424 horsepower. For those seeking maximum performance, the Ghibli Trofeo is powered by a Ferrari-derived 3.8-liter twin-turbo V8, generating an astonishing 572 horsepower, making it one of the most powerful sedans in its class. All models come with an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission, providing smooth and responsive shifts. Rear-wheel drive is standard, but Maserati's intelligent all-wheel drive system is available for enhanced traction and stability. Inside, the 2025 Maserati Ghibli is a masterpiece of luxury and technology. Premium materials such as fine leather, carbon fiber, and open-pore wood trim create an upscale atmosphere. The latest Maserati Intelligent Assistant missing-in-action infotainment system runs on a 10.1-inch touchscreen, supporting Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and voice commands. The digital instrument cluster has been refined for better visibility and customization. A premium 15-speaker Bowers & Wilkins audio system ensures an immersive listening experience. Maserati also focuses on safety, equipping the Ghibli with advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. The 2025 model benefits from improved semi-autonomous driving capabilities, enhancing long-distance comfort. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the Ghibli's balanced chassis, precise steering, and adaptive suspension system, which delivers a dynamic yet comfortable ride. The Trofeo model features a Corsa driving mode for track-ready performance, sharpening throttle response and suspension settings. Pricing for the 2025 Maserati Ghibli starts around $85,000 for the base model, with the high-performance Trofeo variant exceeding $120,000. While it competes with luxury sedans like the BMW 5 Series, Mercedes-Benz E-Class, and Audi A6, the Ghibli sets itself apart with its exotic Italian styling, unique engine options, and emotional driving experience. Overall, the 2025 Maserati Ghibli remains a compelling choice for those who desire a blend of luxury, performance, and exclusivity. If you're a fan of high-performance luxury sedans, the Ghibli deserves a spot on your radar. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more in-depth reviews, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates on the automotive world.